Well, we must say this trail is very well maintained. Being sarcastic, of course.